Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore the Maldives, a gem of the Indian Ocean. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. The Maldives is a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxurious resorts. The Maldives has a rich history with influences from various cultures, including Buddhist, Islamic, and European. The Maldives is an archipelago of 1,192 coral islands, forming a double chain of 26 atolls located southwest of India and Sri Lanka. The Maldives has a tropical monsoon climate with high temperatures and humidity throughout the year. The Maldives has one major international airport, Malé International Airport (MLE), which serves as the primary entry point for tourists. The Maldives has a population of approximately 430,000 people with a diverse mix of ethnicities including Divehi, South Indian, and Sri Lankan. The Maldives is a Muslim community with Islam being the official religion. Divehi is the official language, but many people also speak English, particularly in the tourism industry. The Maldives has a unique culture with influence from its history, geography, and Islamic traditions. The Maldives has a developing education system with a focus on improving access to quality education. The cost of living in Maldives is relatively high, particularly in the capital city of Malé. The Maldives has a growing economy driven by tourism and fishing with a per capita income that is one of the highest in South Asia. The Maldives is a presidential republic with a president serving as head of state and government. The government has implemented policies aimed at promoting sustainable tourism, reducing poverty, and improving infrastructure. The Maldives is divided into 26 atolls, each with its own unique characteristics and attractions. The Maldives has no lakes or rivers, but its coral reefs and crystal clear waters are home to a diverse array of marine life. The Maldives' natural resources include fish, coconuts, and coral reefs. Some popular tourist attractions in the Maldives include luxurious resorts, snorkeling and diving sites, Malé, the capital city. Malé, the capital city, is a bustling hub of activity with a mix of modern and traditional architecture. The Maldives offers employment opportunities in the tourism and fishing industries. The Maldives has a growing economy driven by tourism and fishing with opportunities for business and investment. The Maldives has a limited manufacturing sector with a focus on fish processing and handicrafts. Agriculture is limited in the Maldives due to the country's geography and climate. The Maldives has a significant trade deficit with imports exceeding exports. The Maldives offers opportunities for business and investment, particularly in the tourism and infrastructure sectors. The Maldives has laws and regulations in place to promote business and investment, but the country still faces challenges with bureaucracy. The Maldives has a developing transportation infrastructure with a focus on improving roads, airports, and seaports. The Maldivian Rufiya MVR is the official currency and the country's banking system is relatively stable. The Maldives offers a range of accommodation options from luxurious resorts to budget friendly guest houses. Getting a local SIM card in the Maldives is relatively straightforward, with several telecommunications providers offering affordable plans. Visitors to the Maldives should dress modestly, particularly when interacting with locals. Maldivian cuisine is known for its seafood, coconut, and spices. Some transportation and travel tips for the Maldives include using ferries or speedboats to travel between islands, being mindful of the country's strict laws and regulations. Some key do's and don'ts: respect local customs and traditions, dress modestly, particularly when interacting with locals, remove shoes when entering mosques or homes, avoid public displays of affection, be mindful of the country's strict laws and regulations. The flag of the Maldives features a green rectangle with a red border and a white crescent known, and the national anthem is Gaumi Salam. Visitors to the Maldives require a valid passport and may need a visa depending on their nationality. Planning a trip to the Maldives requires considering the best time to visit, accommodation options, and activities like snorkeling, diving, or relaxing on the beach. A day to day agenda in the Maldives might include snorkeling or diving to explore the coral reefs, relaxing on the beach or by the pool, trying local cuisine such as mas huni, tuna, and coconut breakfast dish. The Maldives is generally a safe country, but visitors should take necessary precautions to protect themselves and their belongings. The cost of living in the Maldives is relatively high, particularly in the luxury resort sector. The Maldives has diplomatic relations with many countries and is a member of several international organizations. The Maldives is known for its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and friendly people. The Maldives is a unique and fascinating country that offers visitors a chance to experience a tropical paradise, rich culture, and stunning natural beauty. Thank you for seeing this video. Please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.